this video I'm going to show you how to paint a radiator with Zinsser AllCoat. My name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painters Decorators and you're watching Inexteriors TV. Like I just said, in this video I'm going to show you how to paint a radiator with a Zinsser AllCoat. This is a multi-surface paint that paints a number of different surfaces. I mean, if you read the tin, it's on the tin. I've done some reviews on this, so if you would like to watch the reviews, the videos will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen. But like I just said, it's a multi-surface paint, so I was in a situation here where I needed to paint some UPVC doors, some woodwork and a radiator. Now for the walls, she's used the little green for the walls and ceiling. She's done it in the little green flint, in the absolute matte emulsion. But she wanted the woodwork doing in the flint as well, but in a satin or eggshell. So because we had a multitude of different surfaces to do, like the UPVC door and radiator, I suggested that we got the Zinsser AllCoat mixed, tinted in the flint. So that's what we've done. So, right, so now on to the radiator. I'll show you the radiator that we're going to be doing. It's just this little radiator here. The brushes that I'm going to be using is a 1.5" Hamilton Synthetic Prestige, an inch Hamilton Synthetic Prestige, and then I've got a little fitches to get in any awkward places. So if you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I used for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, for giving it a sand, I'm going to use the sanding pad because that's easy to get in between the grooves of the radiator. So right, let's crack on with this, shall we? I'm trying to stay out of the way of the camera as well. Get a good dust off. Right, so that's ready for its first coat, so I'm just going to go get some paint. I mean, it's going to take 3 coats, so I'm going to show you me first coating it, and then I'll show you me putting the 3rd coat on, but I'll be showing you how quick it is to do the 3rd coat as well, and easy. I mean, I'll do that end off camera because you don't need to see that. I mean, this stuff is so easy to use, to be fair. But you don't want to be using it in like when it's really hot or direct sunlight. If it's a really hot day, pick the moments of your day. Like do it in the morning when it's cool. So I'm just cutting that into the bottom there, into the bottom of those bars. Now I should have done that back bar, I think. Yeah, I should have done that back bar sort of first. And then cut into them bars there, like that. Then do this back bit. Right, I'm going to do this side off camera. I mean, you might not be able to see that so well because there's not a massive colour change with this flint. It's just like an off-white. Another thing I want to show you is we only paint up to this bit here. There. Just above that sort of delve there is where we paint up to, because you can't get all the way down there with the brush. I'm going to give this a 3rd coat. Now, we probably could say that's done in 2 coats because this was like a white radiator and it has sort of pretty much covered. But water-based products do intend to take sort of 3 or 4 coats to cover. Yeah, but here's the thing, each coat it's so quick. So when you go like, oh, 3 coats, but I'm going to demonstrate how quick this 3rd coat can be done. Now, I've pre-done the backs and the sides. So let me just show you in real time how quick a 3rd coat is compared from oil-based to, oil-based to how much easier water-based is compared to oil-based. I know you can barely probably see it going on, but and now we just lay it off. Now just do the same to these bits. I mean, the water-based products are just so easy to use. And they dry within a couple of hours. And that is it. And that's how to paint a radiator with Zinsser AllCoat. Thank you very much for watching.